Man, so back in the shop. Monday didn't really work too much, just because Porter was leaving. We showed him around town and all that sort of stuff, and I had to go home and take care of some other stuff. Plus, just get some sleep. We put in like 40 hours between basically Friday, Saturday, Sunday. So I was a little tired, needed some sleep. I also cut my hair, but Race Tech box for Jimmy's car came in yesterday. That's the seats and stuff for that red bug eye. And so we can finally finish up his car, what we need to do with his car. On the Fiesta, we got to a point where we have our... and I'm not sure if you can see it. Let me see if I can grab a flashlight here. But we got our strut towers tied in. You can see that side over there tied in as well. So we got feet welded in. We still gotta weld the main hoop stuff, but we'll do that after we get the main X back in. Roof stuff is in. Got to finish up the gussets there. Got to do the door gussets. But yeah, pretty much only stuff we got left on this thing are really like the rear X, rear strut tower bar, main X, and a dash bar, plus the gussets, of course. So that's all stuff that needs to get done yet, but we will get that done soon. I still got to do... I still got to cut out the seat mounts in the back here, do seats. We did fit Becca the other day for seat pedal box, kind of mapped out right there, and then hydraulic handbrake and shifter, and then steering wheel. So I should probably get this. Let me get this. Oh, yeah. All right. So, it was just the customer calling. That is coming in potentially next week for some power upgrades on a 22 WRX. Anyways, so, yeah, that's pretty much where we got on the Fiesta. I have to now put in the front suspension. The back suspension's in the car, but it's just kind of hanging, so I've got to bolt it back up so that we can roll this thing around. And then I need to basically just clean up in here, make a little bit of room. This is the cage kit that was supposed to be for the coupe there, but they sent us the wrong thickness tubing. So we're getting another cage because he didn't want to run the thicker tubing, which I understand. It's, you know, it's a big weight difference. So need to get these things sort of, this is all GD stuff here, GD stuff in the box there. This is the leftover tubes from the Fiesta, so I'm going to throw that in the car for now. And then, yeah, I'm just going to organize all this junk, get everything moved around, put the doors back on the Fiesta, throw some of this other Fiesta stuff probably in the car for now, just to keep it out of the way. And then, yeah, I've got something else on the trailer that's got to come inside. So yesterday we went and picked up Z from paint, my buddy Austin. So yeah, engine bay is all painted nice and white, pretty. And hey Austin, look at this, made it back. Anyways, but yeah, car is all painted. It's looking good. And we just gotta get it off the trailer, get it back inside, and then we're gonna start working again on this thing. I've got quite a bit to do on that as well. And yeah, it's gonna be just wild weeks coming up still. Lots of work between the Fiesta and the Z, and finishing up Jimmy's car with the seats here, and the 22 WRX next week, and the M3, and I've got an Evo 10 hopefully coming this week, so I'll film a little bit of that as well. But yeah, got a lot going on, which is good. So now that it's later in the day today, we had put the suspension back in the Fiesta, cleaned up some stuff around the shop, did all the things that I said I would in terms of the Fiesta. We have dyno day tomorrow, so tomorrow I had to sort of clean up the shop and make space for the guys to get to the dyno tomorrow. So now we got nothing here. Kazi still needs to move out. But we've got the Z here, fresh from paint. We got like the seals and seat rails for the passenger side in there and stuff. And then we pushed the M3 over here and cleaned up some of the tubes and the pallets, moved some of the pallets, moved like the horses and a bunch of stuff. I had like the glass for the Fiesta sitting on the dyno, so I put that back where it is. I put the glass back for the M3. These are all loose, you know, like they can come out, but basically did all that stuff. So this guy's next door, Rally Spec, can do the dyno day tomorrow. I was hoping to have the parts for that 22 WRX for tomorrow too, but unfortunately ETS is slow on shipping, so we'll hopefully have those next week now. And oh yeah, I did the things, and yeah, get his car done soon. So, but yeah, lots more work to start getting done here, and yeah, gonna be crazy. If you like what you see, like, share, subscribe. I think that's what they say. And if you can, comment. We'd love to interact with our fans, our customers. You know, it's pouring outside. But yeah, hit the like button, hit the share, subscribe, get it to your friends. Let's get this stuff around.